Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect Pinterest to your Shopify store. So first you need to sign up on pinterest.com. After that go to your Shopify admin panel and then go to apps. Now click on all recommended apps. Now on the bottom click on Shopify App Store. Now go to top and then here search for Pinterest. And this is the apps and click on these apps. This is completely free. Click on install. Go to the install. Now go to the connect Pinterest account. Click on that. Click on give access. Create a business account. After that, click on create a linked business account. Describe your business. Click on next. Business name. Here enter your details. Business name, country and website. After that, click on next. What are your business goal? What's the focus on your brand? Interested in running ads on Pinterest? Yes, click on done. Where you would like to start? Choose any of them. Click on next. So that's how you can connect Pinterest to Shopify store. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.